Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist. I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we are going to talk about Oppo's newest entrant, which is Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G. Guys, it's been a long while. But it seems like yesterday we did an unboxing of Reno4 Pro 5G. And today we have the latest one. Now this was just launched yesterday. So we're going to look at what's inside the box. We're going to show you how it looks like. And then tomorrow we will be doing a technical review of it. So let's go on, dig inside the box, find what's inside it, how the phone looks, and how's the first feel of it. And when we look at it and while we're doing all that, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon on your screens so that you keep getting all the notifications and we keep getting all the motivations. And if you're watching us on Facebook, Instagram or TikTok, do the same there. And across all the platforms, do like, share and comment on our videos so that we keep getting all that feedback and we keep bringing these awesome videos to you. So getting straight on to the business. So here we have the Oppo Reno Pro 5G. On the box, clear, beautiful branding. They're atypical can color, Oppo, and some beautiful Android branding at the back of it. And A7, we're going to find out what this means while we open the box. So let's get straight on to business. So, boom. We have our cutter handy, and we're going to straight away rip this out. Boom. And another cut here, and we should be good to go. Here we go. Boom. Awesome stuff, guys. So this goes out of the way, and nice. This is something really different, but let's open this. Voila. The beauty part is every single detail in this packaging is always taken care of. They've been, the quality of the packaging speaks a lot about the product inside, and this is what they do. So here's the phone right here, but let's find out what's under the hood. Of course, we have the Type-C cable. I'm going to keep that back inside. Under that, we've got something else as well. So, these are headphones. Awesome stuff. That's awesome. And which type are these? Let's find out. And the headphones have a Type-C connector. So, and the cable is amazing. It feels really awesome. So yeah, every single detail. So not just the headphones, but headphones that don't need a 3.5mm jack. They are the ones which go down well with 3.5mm. So that's one. And they, of course, have this amazing charger. We're going to tell you everything about all this when we go on to our review video tomorrow. So you can see Super Walk here, and it is a 65 watt charger again. So all this right here, beautiful. So let's get this back here and focus on what we really want to see, which is the Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G. Now, I'm going to just slide this out gently, keep this on the side, close this box and let it sit here on one side so that we can continue to appreciate how beautiful not just the phone is, but the packaging is as well. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is premium build. We got the Gorilla Glass 5 in the front and Gorilla Glass back at the bottom, and there is a beautiful textured finish at the back. No fingerprint stress at all, absolutely. And this is the black color, and it is absolutely, this is tarry black. So great looking phone here, and we got a beautiful screen right in the front. And when we look at the body, we're just going to look at, on top, we've got a beautiful flat surface, just a microphone on the top, nothing else. On the other side, we've got the on-off switch right here at the bottom. We've got the USB Type-C, the charging point, the SIM card tray, and a speaker system on here. And then we've got the volume toggles on the other side. And at the back, we've got the camera, which is amazing. So as you can see, it's a quad camera setup. We've got the primary, which the ultra wide angle, the wide angle, and the macro. with a lot of flashlights and sensors at the back. Now this is amazing. This is a 64 megapixel on the primary. We're going to tell you all about the camera in the video tomorrow, so do come back and watch us there. And if you are watching us right now, just please press that subscribe button and the notification icon right away so that you don't miss out the notification of the video tomorrow, where we're going to tell you everything about it. In the front, we've got the Gorilla Glass 5 again. This is a beautiful 6.55 inches screen, and it is the curve on the edges is beautiful. This is absolutely a gorgeous looking phone so far. I am very impressed, and I'm very happy to hold this in my hand today. And tomorrow we're going to turn this on. I'm going to, and find out and tell you everything that we know about it, about the camera, about the display, about the battery, and everything else. So guys, this is Oppo's Reno5 Pro 5G, a beautiful looking phone. And do come back again tomorrow and watch this video, and keep yourself safe until that time. Peace.